Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. If you're new here, my name is Maria and in today's video I have some Dollar Tree, Dollar General Christmas DIYs. These were so easy and so inexpensive to make. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you do, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell button so you can get notified every time I upload. With that being said, now let's craft. For my first DIY, I will be using this window cleans that I got from Dollar General. Oh my gosh, these are beautiful. And I am also using an 8x10 canvas from Dollar Tree and some Hobby Lobby paper. So the first thing I'm going to do is remove the canvas and the staples. Then I'm going to stain the the frame using my Waverly antique wax, and this is going to make it look more high-end. You can totally just add the cling on top of the canvas, but I decided not to. The next thing I will be using is my Hobby Lobby paper. These are 69 cents each sheet, but I got them on sale for 4 for $1. I'm going to place the frame on top of the paper and then start tracing it. I am putting it all the way at the corner because I want to use the rest of my paper in my second DIY. Once I am done tracing it, I'm going to cut it. Before I glue it, I'm going to make sure I cut the paper the right size, like that I don't have it too big or too short. The next thing I will be doing is just flipping the frame around and start gluing it using my hot glue. I will be using the truck that has the Merry Christmas at the bottom, and as you can see, it kind of doesn't fit. There is some of that tree that doesn't fit, so I am going to trim it a little bit to where it fits. Then to glue this cling to my paper, I am using just some regular glue. I don't have any Mod Podge right now, but you can totally use that instead. And I also added some of the little snowflakes that come in this pack. And that is it for this beautiful red truck Merry Christmas decor sign. I absolutely love how this turned out. It looks so high-end and it was so easy and so inexpensive to make. For my second DIY, I will be using the 6x8 Dollar Tree canvas, and I'm going to repeat the same steps. I'm going to remove the staples, the canvas, and paint this using my Waverly antique wax. I am also using the same paper I used in my first DIY. I'm using the little leftover pieces. I didn't have another one of these, so I do have to go back to Hobby Lobby and get several more of these. But anyways, I did try to put them together and I did glue them, and once everything was nice glued and dry, you can't even tell I put these papers together. So I'm going to repeat the same thing, just glue it to the back. And then I'm going to use another of these window clings that I got from this Dollar General pack. I'm using the second little truck and it is so cute. It is frontwards. It does have a tree on the side, so it doesn't fit here, so I did trim it down, but I am putting it back and you can't even tell. And you can put the truck vertical or horizontal. I will be using the same glue to glue this. You can definitely use Mod Podge like I said. And I'm adding some of the little snowflakes just to cover a little bit of the paper that I attached together. And that is it for this frame. I absolutely love how this turned out. For my third DIY, I will be recycling this mason jar. This is from Aldi. I'm going to remove the paper and then paint this using my Waverly chalk paint in white. I am giving this 2 coats of paint. From the same pack, I will be using the Farm Fresh Christmas trees, and I'm going to glue this using the same glue. And I first did it in the center, but then later on before it dried, I did move it more down so I can add a snowflake on top. I will be using the Dollar Tree berry pick and some Walmart pick. I actually got the Walmart last year on sale, so I'm going to use this, but Dollar Tree carries so many beautiful Christmas pick you can use instead. The last thing I will be doing is wrapping some jute string around where the lid goes and then adding a jute string bow. And that is it for this beautiful floral vase. I absolutely love how this turned out. This was actually my favorite one I have done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and see you next time. Bye.